English speaking practice. Topic at the restaurant. Part 1 Introduction. Hello, friends. Welcome to today's English speaking practice. Today's topic is at the restaurant. Repeat every sentence after me. Speak slowly and confidently. Let's start. Part 2 Going to a restaurant. Today, I am going to a restaurant with my family. We are very excited. The restaurant is clean and beautiful. Many people are eating there. The waiter welcomes us with a smile. We sit at a comfortable table. The menu card is on the table. There are many delicious dishes. Part 3 Ordering food. Waiter, good evening, sir. What would you like to order? Customer, I would like a plate of fried rice. Waiter, would you like anything else? Customer, yes, one bowl of soup, please. Waiter, which soup would you prefer? Customer, tomato soup. Waiter, okay, sir, your order will arrive soon. Customer, thank you. Part 4 Talking during dinner. The food smells very good. I am feeling hungry. The soup is hot and tasty. The fried rice is delicious. My family is enjoying the dinner. We are talking and laughing together. The service is very nice. I like this restaurant very much. Part 5 Paying the bill. Customer, waiter, can I have the bill, please? Waiter, yes, sir, here is your bill. Customer, can I pay online? Waiter, yes, online payment is available. Customer, thank you for your service. Waiter, you're welcome, visit again. Part 6 Daily English Practice. I enjoy speaking English daily. I learn new words every day. Practice improves my confidence. I am not afraid of mistakes. I speak slowly and clearly. One day, I will speak fluent English. I believe in myself. Part 7 Closing. Thank you for practicing with me. Read these sentences again at home. Practice daily for better fluency. See you in the next English practice session. Have a great day.